What's going on, sneaker homies? It's your boy Corey, and I'm bringing you an unboxing review of the Nike Fear of God 1. But before we get into that, I need y'all to go like, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, go subscribe. Tell a friend to become a homie. We need the homies.
Maybe I'm the new kid.
Petrovsky is cooking up dope.
I got on some new shit.
Nike and Jerry Lorenzo have teamed up once again to drop an amazing sneaker. The box, amazing. This is his first low top Fear of God 1s. He dropped the Skylons, which is an old silhouette. In the Fear of God-esque type mood. But these are the low top. I guess you could say they're the low top to the high tops. But are they? Because it's not the same. It's like a different design. It's just a low. But, well, let me take the sneaker out and show y'all. These released on April 27th for a retail price of $190. After tax, it was like, I think, $210. So I'm bringing them out. Ooh, you know, it's not a Jordan. Here we go. Y'all see those? Let's get up close and personal with those. Y'all like those? That's cool. That's fire. I like them a lot. They're cool. But okay. Let me take them out and let y'all see them before I go in depth on the shoe. Okay. Let's stand that box up because I like the box up. I like probably the box on the sneaker. But here we go. Y'all see those? Yeah. So these are the Nike Air. So these are the Nike Air Fear of God 1s by Jerry Lorenzo in the light bone colorway. If you've seen the high top Fear of God 1s in the light bone colorway, they're basically the same sneaker. Yeah, I heard these are comfortable. I tried on the Air Fear of God 1s, the high ones, and I fell in love with them even after I said I really don't like them because, you know, loyalties to Ye, and they reminded me too much of the 750s, Yeezys. But these ones, I like these. I'm not a fan of them because, as you know, I wear 11, and these are 11, and I just don't like the way they look this big. Like, smaller feet. I've seen them in smaller sizes, and they're cool. They released alongside the moccasin version to these, I guess you could say. Yeah. Those are fire. Those are fire too. I'm gonna have a video because we were waiting outside and to get them, and somebody got the mochas from Undefeated. They opened mad early. They never open at 9. Never. Like hardly ever. And yeah, so people snagged those up and brought them over and let me see them. These right here, I like them. They're cool. Okay. So yeah, they look like they got a lot of resistance on them. I like the material's fire. The quality on these are fire. The 190, what you pay 190 for, you get your 190's worth on the quality. The quality is fire. Quality is definitely fire. I'm gonna cop and wear and own and keep the black ones. The black ones that come out in May, I'm fucking with. I'm gonna keep the black ones. The black ones that come out in May, I'm keeping. You'll see the review on those. Lace lock on these. They're fire. It's fire. Air Fear of God. Yeah. So I think if you like Jerry Lorenzo and the stuff he does at Fear of God, and you like Nikes, no brainer. If you wear like a 8 and below, because I think that's when they look good, 8 and below. They look the best, 8 and below. I think you could do that. If you want to wear shorts this summer or any summer, it's a go. What else? If you like a light bone, light cream, off creamish, off whitish, no Virgil, type color, these are a go. What else? If you like to look like you're on the basketball court, these are a go. I heard they're fire to wear during basketball. I don't know about the logos on stuff, but yeah. So, yep. That's my review of the Nike Air Farragut 1s in the light bone colorway. Yeah, you'll see the black ones when I get them. I'll probably get them early, so I'll do a review on those. Yeah, so like, subscribe, tell me what you liked about this video. Oh, they come with an extra pair of laces. Let me not forget that. But like, subscribe, tell me what you enjoyed about this video. Tell me what you didn't like about this video. I'll change it up, Mike. You know, if it's practical. You know. So, well, tell a friend to become a homie. Tell them to subscribe. Bring them over. You know, I'll be doing giveaways soon of a couple sneakers. I might do the 4s that I reviewed in the last video. Might not. I don't know. But I will be doing giveaways, and I'll be shouting more people out. So yeah, go like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Well, yeah, become a homie. We need the homies. If it ain't for the homies, who is it for?
Maybe I'm the new kid.
Petrovsky is cooking